In order to get your design onto a t-shirt, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson hybrid DTG print technology. You'll need a heat press and the Epson F2270 printer. First, thread your garment onto the heat press, apply a sheet of parchment paper, and press for about 20 seconds. In Garment Creator, open the design that you'd like to print, choose light colored t-shirt for your garment color, and click the print button. Thread your garment onto the platen and press the blue button to begin the print. When the printing is complete, carefully thread your garment back onto the heat press, apply a sheet of parchment paper, and press for about 75 seconds. And that's how easy it is to get your design onto a t-shirt using the Epson SureColor F2270.